How to use Chatgpt during a proctored exam. Hey, welcome to Proctor Hacks, the #1 YouTube channel for tutoring and proctored exam hacks. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. How can you use Chatgpt during a proctored exam? Sounds tricky, right? Using Chatgpt during a proctored exam is actually very easy, but only if you're not the one taking the exam at the same time. Proctored exams usually monitor you with an external camera to track your activity. So, if you pull out your phone or any other device during the test, alarm bells ring and you get flagged instantly. Plus, these exams are time-sensitive. You won't have the luxury to type entire questions and get instant answers. On top of that, most proctored exams lock down your system. That means no opening other tabs, no switching apps, and definitely no easy way to directly use Chatgpt or any AI tool. And the biggest catch? You can't just copy the question statements during a proctored exam to paste them into Chatgpt because of strict lockdown features. Even if you somehow bypass the exam software using remote screens, virtual machines, or other hacks, copying those questions is still a no-go. So, what's the workaround? Here's the ultimate solution. Hire experts to take your online exam for you. These technical pros know how to discreetly bypass proctoring systems and solve the exam for you. And that's especially effective when combined with Chatgpt 4. This is the best way to cheat during exams using Chatgpt, hands down. If you have any upcoming exam that is proctored on any proctoring software like Respondus Lockdown Browser, ProctorU, Proctorio, ProctorTrack, Pearson VUE, PSI, or any other, you can get the help by contacting at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or simply fill the form link given in the description. If you want more cutting-edge proctoring hacks and academic tips, subscribe to Proctor Hacks and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. We love hearing from you.